let's say at this very moment you had millions of dollars. Are you confident that you can handle the repercussions that What's up, everybody? It's 8:03, finished prayer. I have a meeting at 10, so I'm just prepping for that. And then, yeah, just gonna be a regular day. Go to work, go to shop. That's about it. My pinky has been hurting a lot. So I ended up just missing training this morning, but it's alright. I'll do a home workout. Alright, keep you guys updated. So I got about 25 minutes till my meeting. I'm just gonna hop in the cold shower quick, get that done. Then get to my meetings. Alright. Cold shower 34, day 34. Let's get it. Cold shower 34 done. I just got changed because I'm gonna finish up this meeting and then actually I have one more meeting and then I'm gonna head straight to the office. I'll do my cold shower thoughts relatively quick. 34 days in a row. Wow. It's been a long time. I will say that I think there is a test that God puts everybody through to see or to strengthen them for their future success. For example, if at this very moment you had all the success you ever imagined, like let's say at this very moment you had millions of dollars, are you confident that you can handle the repercussions that comes with that money? Like heavy is the head that wears the crown, or whatever that saying is. All that repercussions, all the people that will be coming after you, all the problems that you have to solve, I mean, they're magnified as you make more money. As a result, you have to magnify and become stronger as a person. You have to level up as a person. And the time it takes you to level up is different for everybody. And that's determined by God by saying, okay, you know, it'll take you this long to develop, God will give you these challenges to strengthen you so that when you achieve the success, you're strong enough to hold that success and maintain it. That's my belief. That's why the only way you lose is if you quit or if you stop. If you just go every single day and you show up and you do whatever you can to work towards that success to get better and better, I feel like eventually you have to be successful. And you'll build that resilience so that when you are successful, you'll be able to maintain it and make good decisions and do something great with that wealth. It won't just be gone in a minute. Like all those lottery winners, they lose all their wealth relatively quickly. They end up back broke because they don't know how to manage it. They don't know how to deal with the problems that comes with obtaining all that wealth. So everybody's on their own path. Everybody's on their own timeline. The important thing is you keep moving forward and you keep dealing with the problems and you keep growing and you keep becoming stronger. That's my take on things. Some days it just feels like there's no light at the end of the tunnel. I'm just doing this, making these videos. Nobody even sees them. Does it even matter? I don't know. But I still make them and I still go forward and I still keep pushing because I got people relying on me. So it's during those times you gotta keep pushing the most. After this meeting, I'll catch up with you guys at the shop. And then I'm gonna do an evening training session today because I've just been working on this design for the past 3 hours. So, yep. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, back from work, back at the studio. Just gonna work on the business a little more. Got some personal stuff figuring out. But yeah, just gonna do some prospecting, emails, reaching out to people. That's about it. All right. See you guys in a bit. What's up, everybody? Gonna call it a day. Man, my work output's just not where it needs to be right now. Gotta be more focused. And past week has just been rough. Stomach's bad. Just trying to get shit done, but anyways, gonna call it a day, go to sleep, start again tomorrow. Start fresh, get in the zone. So, see you guys. Day 34, done.